At the end.
Oils, extra virgin, cream. What do we do? We can unroll it. So the teams have been at it for about 20 minutes. It's Allen Brothers, Prime Chateaubriand's, ground beef from Allen Brothers, and Vandero's wet cured bacon. We're gonna find out what they have in the tank and they come up with.
Yeah, okay.
In 15 minutes, we have the other group coming in. They're gonna swap, led by Stefano Spino, and we're gonna take it home and make 5 killer plates.
You got a chef showdown going on right now, sir. It's been epic. All the chefs, super high confidence right now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go to your teams, go to your teams.
Absolute pandemonium here in this kitchen. What I see is talent, I see grit, I see competition, I see love. Very special things are about to take place. The platings are coming up. I can't wait to see them.
So I unfortunately picked all the big guys, and we're in the smallest kitchen corridor, as you can see.
Look at the confidence. Look at everybody over there. Look at panicking.
What? You're the only one who's got a sketch. I love it. That is Team Red.
Go, go, go. There you go.
30 seconds. 1.
0.
Yeah, I think 1 is slower.
That'll work. You don't want to. Can I go, Paul? Yep. Yeah.
That's beautiful. Thank you. Great job. Great job, Team Red.
Second place, sorry, excuse me. With 85.5 points combined, Team Brian Grove.
So the winner.